couldn't. Don't. Long time them woulda fight me down, so why them like me now? Me always free for the top, no really like the ground. We got the keys for the lock, so yeah, we own it tongue. And all the G's will lock up my back, just hold it down. Me I try do right all when me not left it. Me hear all of them a pre-coming talkative. Hot bitch, poolside, you know how bosses live. Spliff rap, champagne pop, molly in her head, JDG's done up. 6 outside, I got we guns up. West Bank links, so you know the funds up. Tired and get the words, so we must function. Me always wanted was to be a winner. From small, me only power with real sinners. The dog them bust shot, show me about real dinner. Them see my dark.
Nothing gets between me and my AK.
Got a lot of new flames in.
Finally getting a tire trade. I need too much profile for that car. You know that I say no on my family, so.
Bad must feel let down, heard the dog say, huh, what you gon' bet now? Yeah, used to be a tour bitch, a vet now. Luke, get up, dog, I need you. Home nigga made sure that I was eating. Free nails still nigga, RP Reese. Get her nails done, still charge for the feature. Baby, we ain't that, no, we ain't this. All that fuck, I don't do no kiss. Bitch ain't shit words, and my niggas all in my mentions. Bitch really wanna get higher. To the little hoes, I'm Bryce. I done hit more shit than Mike Tyson. Get poppin', nigga, I ain't doing no fight. Sending my cash, I ain't doing no right.
Car too fast, can't stop at no light. I hit the gas, it's good, and I pull off. I'm on that ass, I just took a year off. She shaking her ass, come in when she get out. Still half a meal for my little brother to get out. That new Richard Mill made me feel like a boss.
That's all I'm gonna up there. I'm sure, yeah. With the pain and low card is B by what is it? Shot completely broken.
Ain't making no noise. Bitch the door on the ground like a skateboarder. If I want her, I get her, I pay for her. I pay extra, I ain't tryna wait for it. Everything that I got, it was made for me. I was serving them trap house fade for me. Everybody with me gotta eat.
So I guess we're reviewing vehicles. I enjoy boxing a while, but baby. I ain't cut too off. That is it, baby. Come on now, let's stop and get something. Make sure and pay the neutral, don't forget that. Okay. Watch she. Yes, that is it.
Back on it, design of my garments, corner store mornings, down to the sundown. I don't trust no one. I can put my gun down, going #1 now. How this out, hands down, bands out, pants down. Yeah,
I feel kind of weird and what. After a little while, it is kind of settle back in. It was a short drive, so I don't think I'll settle back in all that much, but probably like 20 minutes, so this I can settle in.
And that new Mercedes, know you see that they been trying to beat me lately. I'm a heavy hitter like Javante Davis, that shit ain't gon' save them, leave them on the pavement. All I know is get this motherfucking paper. Doubt should not try one of us, if they do, I'm a bust. Please don't reach for no chain. Not about to say, but it's more about respect. If they get me upset, they gon' die, this on game. Ran on my check when I walk in the bank, they greet me at the door by my government name. I made a promise I'm never gon' change. Rolls Royce umbrella, I'm hoping it rain.
I told them, so first time taking out a shock on my own. I think this is the part that when I do everything, which is bring it back up on my own. But normal, I'm not sure. Right, so it's now 10 p.m. First time taken down. I don't know why the back look like if you're talking so much, but first time taken down, putting back up a shock on my own. Happy to see I do it. It had but at this point I realized I can't think, but I had a little down moment. But shit just wasn't working out, but stick to the plan. Keep the composure. Stay grounded and well, I get through. So now the plan is just to get this thing I start. I can't remember the last time I started this. Get this thing I start and guide for a little test drive. I'll probably just turn it right in the yard or something. I don't know. I already not feeling like to do too much right now.
Doubt should not try one of us, if they do, I'm a bust. Please don't reach for no chain. Not about to say, but it's more about respect. If they get me upset, they gon' die, this on game. Ran on my check when I walk in the bank, they greet me at the door by my government name. I made a promise I'm never gon' change. Rolls Royce umbrella, I'm hoping it rain. Yeah.
Let's see, we there, we back. To the sunroof now.
Look how much you they are jailhouse. Me never have it there road. Look how much you they are graveyard. Me never have it there door. So So me have to give thanks, yeah. Dre Island have to give thanks, yeah. In Nero have to give thanks, yeah. Tell the devil keep him distance, yeah. All the glory unto God. I will never be ungrateful. God, they make me blessed in a real life. Me no fear demons nor enemies. I'm protected by the Most High. Oh God, look how much you they are jailhouse. Me never have to they are rod. Look how much youth they are graveyard. Me never have to they are dog. So me have to give thanks, yeah. Give thanks, yeah. Mercy have to give thanks, yeah. Tell the devil keep him distance, yeah. Life are the greatest thing. Money are the next best thing. Nobody live your life reckless, king.
But yo, the progress check. Looking good day so far. Just gonna take out the hotline now, get some measurements and start to see if I can make a layout. So you know what I go do with this hotline after. I don't know if I might pay back up or make a new one or something, I don't know.
Loves, never fit their rod. Too much youth they a graveyard. Me never fit their dog. So me have to give thanks, yeah. Give thanks, yeah. Mercy have to give thanks, yeah. Tell the devil keep him distance, yeah. All the glory belongs to thee, oh God. You know we go. Unruly. R.I.P. to me thugs, them we pass and gone. All who they in a jailhouse long. Hold on. Anyhow, so much youth they a jailhouse. Me never fit their rod. Youth they a graveyard. Me never fit their dog. So me a give thanks, yeah. Give thanks, yeah.
Me a real youth, not for them I see through. Come round for the faithful, can't fool me fool. Who no think, me no know. Mankind is a werewolf, and we change with the full moon. Give them a helping hand, you get gunshot in return. Road to success, now miss the turn. Tell me why you dish me dirt. Good thing, me now beg your door. Thank you, God, me pass the worst. Shawty, me know you with me, girl. Well, at least me hope you with me, girl.
It's supposed to be the last before of these rims. I like them, but I kinda feel like if the rim get a little tired there, I kinda fed up of seeing it. So, new rim, God is good.
Come round for the faithful.
I just end up playing up everything one time. And this is how I look in there. I get one in the deal, I do, but it's not looking that bad. This side higher. So I don't really like how this side looking. The front higher, but you get the vision. Yes, boy. Yeah, I like it, I like it. I like it. Right, there, so today is Sunday, March 1st. So as I could see, still have a hole inside here. But today the intention is to fix that. I forget my real good neighbor know how to weld and things, so he tell me he willing to try to help me get this done. So it looking like today we could get our roof up finally and carry this thing for a little drive. I end up scraping some stickers and things this morning and re-sticker the car just now, but yeah, we get some rims and thing too. I ain't gonna lie, this python, but I should have biting up in front of sure ass, but yeah, today is an eventful one. Car looking great. The first wash on I hit it since end up cutting our roof and all that sort of madness, so definitely admiring it right now. But yeah, may today be an eventful one. In God's name, man.
Wait till I get my money right. I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spent that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless.
To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message. I feel the pressure under more scrutiny. And what I do.
I told you, so this is what we have here. Some of the roof there, it have, I ain't gonna lie, it have alterations to be made. The car have bodywork, and well, obviously it have bodywork to do now, but other than that, it didn't do bad at all. I had to put on an next spacer so I could roll up the car. Right now that rim, that rim need to clear, but not bad at all. I'm real thankful. Although it's not up permanently because this, I want to reinforce this. This definitely will need to reinforce, but I just like safety and proper thing. But this is not bad at all. Right? I'm real thankful. I'm real happy with how this come out. Yeah, boy. With every last minute I spent thinking about it. I ended up pushing up the car a little bit, but well, I could see the sun ain't hitting too bad. I want to get the car another wipe down though. Get the car another wipe down and yeah, take out a little video or something for Instagram.
Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Let up the suicide doors. This is my life, homie, you decide yours. I know that Jesus died for us, but I couldn't tell you who the side was. So I parallel double park that mother sideways. Old folks talking about back in my day, but homie, this is my day. Class started 2 hours ago. Oh, am I late? No, I already graduated. And you can live through anything if magic made it. They say I talk with so much emphasis. Ooh, they so sensitive.